Well, the Russian defense minister has met with India's defense minister, his counterpart, Rajnath Singh, and we are bringing you those visuals right now. Now, Russia is expected to push additional S-400 units, and there are proposals for the S-500 air defense system. Remember, the S-400 was crucial as far as the Operation Sindoor was concerned, and we all know that this meeting will put the spotlight on the defense deals between the two nations. So it is extremely crucial that the two defense ministers meet, and those visuals we are bringing you right now as they met. Now, these both ministers will assess ongoing India-Russia defense programs, including spares, support, Make in India projects, and long-term military technical cooperation. India is seeking technology transfer as well as support for the earlier defense systems is concerned, spares and supports and maintenance, and also there is a possibility of talks about newer defense weapons as well. Joining us live now is India Today's Shivani Sharma. Shivani, we are seeing the visuals of the defense minister taking the Russian defense minister to the National War Memorial and paying their respects over there. How important is the meeting between these two men and ministers?
Anjali, this is an extremely important meeting when the Defense Minister of Russia is in India, and he will be meeting Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Both of these ministers are together right now at the National War Memorial, and this is a tradition when a foreign delegation comes and a state visit happens, and these delegates go to the National War Memorial. They start their visit with the honor to our brave hearts in India. And that is what we are seeing. And after the National War Memorial, the defense ministers will be coming to Manik Shaw Center in the national capital, where a Tri-Services Guard of Honor will be inspected by the Russian defense minister. Thereafter, both the ministers will be holding the bilateral talks, and it's very important because during Russian President Vladimir Putin's meeting in India, defense happens to be a very important agenda because, Russia has been selling weapon systems to India. India has been one of the major buyers of defense systems from Russia, and procurement of more S-400 missile systems happens to be one of the most important agenda. Also expediting the two leftover regiments of S-400. India is waiting for them. So expediting that delivery will also be an important part of the discussions. Apart from that, there have been offers from Russia for S-500 and technology transfer, along with the fifth generation fighter Su-57. So there are a number of key issues that will be discussed here, and apart from these defense deals, the ties between India and Russia and the bilateral exercises, how to enhance the interoperability. We know that important pact has been now signed between India and Russia for the reciprocal exchange and deployment of the forces. So all this happens to be one of the very important agenda on the charts when the defense ministers will be meeting shortly. This bilateral will start at 5 p.m. So right from the National War Memorial, both these defense ministers will be coming to Manekshaw Center, where after the Tri-Services Guard of Honor, bilateral will start, and we expect a joint statement after the meeting to be shared.
Right, absolutely. But Shivani, do try to put all this in perspective for us, because India says that the Operation Sindoor is ongoing. So it is extremely crucial for India to have the latest technology and the weapons that proved effective during Operation Sindoor's beginning that we saw. So could you tell us how important are those weapon systems or technology transfers or continuous maintenance support that we require from Russia?
See, Anjali, when we talk about the defense procurements and the ties with Russia, this is extremely important to understand that right from the BrahMos missile systems that were initially collaborated with Russia and now being made in India, they created havoc inside Pakistan. And not only the BrahMos, but the S-400 air defense systems, they countered any kind of misadventure that came into our territory that even tried and thought of doing so. So all these weapon systems which India is using that are from Russia, have extremely proved their mettle. So India is not only trying to replenish the missile systems that were used during Operation Sindoor of the S-400, but the procurement of more such missile systems for the Sudarshan Chakra air shield, that the comprehensive air shield that the Prime Minister had announced this year on 15th of August, has also to be worked out. So for that matter, more S-400 will be required. More S-500 that have been proposed by Russia will be a key agenda on the discussion when both the defense ministers will be meeting. So when it comes to Russia, the partnership has been traditional. Russia not only gives us weapon system but stands by Indian forces in any kind of challenges. So you've seen that during Operation Sindoor or even after Pahalgam attack, the first voice of solidarity with India was of Russia. So India and Russia diplomatic ties, military ties and the strategic ties,
Right.
they all together combine to form a very good, strong bond between India and Russia, and defense happens to be one of the major focus of this agenda meeting that will be happening today.
All right. Thank you, Shivani, for all those details. We'll be keeping an eye on that meeting as well.